Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nyla Noor. Today we're going to get into our hip lift, a very essential movement for belly dance, which very naturally follows our basic posture. So feet underneath the hips, knees slightly bent, tailbone down, pelvis engaged, shoulders back and down, chest open, arms to the side, your chin is lifted. I'm going to bring my hip to my rib cage by pulling my knees back. This is a knee and quad driven movement, and it's going to be the basis for our hip or bent knee shimmy, FYI, foreshadowing. So I straighten my left, I straighten my right, straighten my left, straighten my right. Now, people will lose their tailbone tuck as they do this. It will give you twist, and we're not doing twist right now. Everything is in this plane of our body. So look at my knees. Boom, boom. I'm keeping them still bent the entire time. I'm going back, 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 back. Yes. Let's do this with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Keep your tailbone tucked. Yes. I see people lose that a lot when they do this. Different posture. Remember, keep engaged. Feet are on the ground. You don't need to lift your heels to do this movement. Keep that knee bend. Chest is lifted. Energy through the arms. Make sure your elbows aren't coming in. Yes. And this is foreshadowing to the basics for our hip shimmy. This is where we start and we go slower. So think hips to ribs, hips to ribs, hips to ribs. This is a very internal movement over my center of my body versus a hip bump which would be outside. Now ultimately, I want to stay very isolated here. Yeah. Keep it out of the chest. Now let's look at it from the side. Right, left, right, left. Tuck. Bend your knees. Another thing to note is if I want to do this sharper, I can use my butt, squeeze my glutes, and this will get a sharper movement that takes it out of my knees. Protect the knees, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Let your muscles assist you. Let's do triples. Right, left, 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 right, left. All right, let it go. Once again, be aware of that bent knee. Keep the feet planted on the ground. Energy is going down into the earth. Tailbone is down. We're isolating our chest and arms from this movement. And we're really crunching those obliques, straightening the leg by driving the knee back, back, back. Those are the fundamentals of your hip lift. Now go watch the next video and continue on this playlist to learn all the beautiful basic movements of belly dance. Thank you. Please subscribe, and I appreciate your support. Bye.